Alan.
Don't scam me.
Am I going to get a Samo? What kind of Samo can I ask you? I'm a very intelligent person, just like a television person. No, I'm kind of drunk, but I don't stutter. Before I cough and sneeze into facts and figures, we should start rolling some weed.
Who knows him though?
Have you heard of him? He's a very good nothengesa masanjaki kana vasingazive masanjaki chidozvinonetisa mari chero usinoenda kuchikoro ngokoma kanhu kanoiswa madomasi. It's a basket for selling tomatoes. That's a sanjak. We call it a sanjak. So he makes plenty of them just by Matagariga there. He's a very good cobbler too. He is a vendor. Stay out of it. Scram,
eh?
Scram, what kind of technique is that? Oh, you do not know. It is called the technique of stage 1. As originated by Maston, not Shana Paul. Yeah, Maston is a very strange rock. Don't just sit on it. You bite dust.
How do you bite dust in
there? I'm looking for someone who is involved in cattle rearing. Just because I want to learn something on by the internet. If someone can help me by animal husbandry in cattle, like Friesland and Hadmashona. It would be a nice trade just for us to have quality meat, just for our people to be a little bit back to normal. Just because they are mad, just because they do not have ox on them. Ox they don't have. To someone who can translate ox in Kobla, it's something which you can use to make string move a little bit faster. We don't have food. We do not have clothing. So if there is anyone who is willing just to contribute by giving us food, we do not need your food. We need the ingredients to make quality food that are edible to people who are living inside.
Oh. Say uta nechirungu nasi. Ndana kushunguruza nasi.
I just wanted to help out someone who was literally translating my mother language.
Chitaura nechishona zvawataura.
Nanchitranslatora mumwe munhu angachitadza angachitranslata rurimi rwaamai vangu nechirungu achitadza kuzvitaura patose. That's literal translation for mother language. You will be speaking nothing just because you will be translating your mother language into another language. So you will be left with nothing.
What's your mother language?
It's Shona. It's Malawi. But the mother language which I am standing in right now is Zimbabwe.
Oh.
We are full of Z regions. Yeah.
So Malawi no bagubi.
You know Lilongwe? There is a school called Chilinda. Yeah. Chishasha, that's the village. And the king is my grandfather and my grandpa.
The king of Chilinda.
The crown was stolen. If you acknowledge or talk about people who really know God, they'll tell you a crown is something which is very strange. That people from another country can go to another country looking for one. Well, if they've just had one, looking for the one who just can wear it, it will be just standing there.
Have you ever seen your grandfather? Or he passed on?
Why not? I've lived with him forever. I was his crown, then it's a long story.
Just cut it short. Summarize it.
Cutting it short to bits and pieces. It's confidential.
Oh, is your grandfather from the father's side or the mother's side?
From the mother's side, I asked myself, why not? As a king, I don't have to live at my father's side. I'll be good as that. Just because at my father's side, I am the crown prince. I am supposed to be the chief right now. Just because my grandfather is going old and my father is very strong. He can't be a chief. Just because he's a little bit intelligent enough just to move around circles.
Explanation as well.
MOTB is intelligent. Akangwarisa. You cannot read his mind. Read between the lines. Why, if I am intelligent like this before I even go to UK, America, or London? Oh, I just say two words that link one. Oh, how intelligent would be my father?
Would you? Let me ask you something. If you get an opportunity to go to UK or London to be specific.
I had one opportunity, but I was visa denied. I don't know why.
You're busy.
Visa denied.
So you make that opportunity slide.
Yeah, I would want it back just because I would want a cultural exchange of too many items. Like I do a lot. Costumes.
Yeah. Do you know anyone in UK in your family?
Yeah, I got my sister in London. I got my other stepsister in America.
In America? Where?
Actually, we do not allow that in journalism. We omit that question.
But
you're doing interactive journalism. It is not allowed if you do not have any certificate. You're going live.
I'm not going live.
Mad Minox, expose your face before we go into facts and figures. You're drinking beer, but I'm not. You're from Canada. What kind of technique is that? Is it a moose? It's a castle.
Yes.
So I'm thinking. No. You're going outside the box. I'm on camera.
Maita bomb that.